So in paper, if the question comes, how many animals did the old man have? So he has two goats, a cat, and four pairs of pigeons. And why didn't he look like a shepherd or a herdsman? Because he did not have a same kind of animals. He had various kinds of animals. Because shepherds and herdmen, they used to graze sheep, goats, or cows. But he had different or various kinds of animals. That is why he didn't look like a shepherd or a herdsman. And you had to leave them, I asked. So the next question, soldier asked him that he had to leave the why did he have to leave his animals? Yes, because of the artillery. The captain told me to go because of the artillery. This is very important. Artillery means army with big guns, because in his village, in his hometown, army has overtaken that village, that town, and army had told or ordered the people to leave that town. So that is why he had to leave. So answer is because of the artillery. Artillery means a big group of soldiers or a army with big guns. And you have no family? I asked, watching the far end of the bridge where a few last carts were hurrying down the slope of the bank. So he asked him another question. Either he had a family or not. And while asking him the question, soldier asked this question to the old man, and while asking this question, he was also cross-checking or looking at far places at the bridge where the carts were. Few carts were left who were still crossing the bridge. No, he said, only the animals I stayed. Then he said, old man said, I didn't have a family, I only had the animals. The cat, of course, will be all right. A cat can look out for itself, but I cannot think what will become to the others. It is very important. So here, these references about the cat or about the goat or pigeons is used as a metaphor or as a symbolism to present various kinds of people. There are mostly three kind of people. First, who are very clever, those who can survive in any situation or they can take care of themselves. Secondly, those who are innocent or less clever. So here cat represents those people who are very clever. They can hide themselves and they can face the situation. So that is why he said that cat will be all right, because cat is very clever. It can take care of itself. But I cannot tell anything about the other animals, gods and the pigeons. I am without politics, he said. So, what politics have you? I asked. So, soldier asked another question. What politics have you? Politics here means confusion, plan, idea. What is going on in your mind? What plan did you have in your mind? What are you thinking? I am without politics, he said. I am 76 years old. I have come 12 kilometers and now I cannot go no further. So he was near the bridge where there was a fear to reach the army. Soldier was looking after that area. He was not, the old man was not moving forward. So that is why this question was asked by the soldier to the old man, that you didn't have a family, you are talking about few animals, you are worried about few animals, so what politics do you have? That is why the old man replied that I do not have any politics in my mind, I do not have any plan, confusion in my mind. I am 76 years old and I have already walked 12 kilometers. I am very tired, so I cannot move forward. That is why I am near the bridge. So why he cannot move forward? What is the age of the old man? Why did he sit near the bridge? The answer of all those questions is his age, and he is very tired. This is not a good place to stop, I said. If you can make it, there are trucks up the road where it forks for Trotsa. It is the name of the another place. So he said, this is not the place for you to stop. There are the trucks who are heading forward. If you can walk little bit, you can catch one of the truck. I will wait a while, he said. Then I will go. Where do the trucks go? So again he said, old man replied that I am tired, I will wait here. So if the question comes, why he said that he will wait? Because he was 76, was tired, already traveled 12 kilometers, so he wanted to take the rest. So but he asked that where those trucks are going. Towards Barcelona, the name of the place where those trucks are going. I told him, soldier replied. I know no one in that direction, he said. But thank you very much, thank you again very much. But he told the soldier that he did not know anyone to that place, but still for the advice he thanked him. He looked at me very blankly and tiredly, then said, having to share his worry with some, the cat will be all right, I am sure. There is no need to be unquiet about the cat, but the others. Now, what do you think about the others? So he was looking blankly. There was no expression on his face. But just to share his worry, just to share his tension in his mind, he told, or he asked to the soldier that cat will be alright. I am 100% sure. Unquiet means I do not have any doubt about the cat. But what's about the other animals? Why they will probably come through it alright. So the soldier replied that they will also save themselves. Come through alright means they will also save themselves in this situation. You think so? This is by soldier. This is by again old man. Do you think so? Why not? I said. Watching a far bank where now there were no carts. He replied, yes. Again soldier, yes, I think so. And while answering him, he was also looking at the bridge or the carts where which was now empty. But what will they do under the artillery when I was told to leave because of that? Then again old man said that what my animals will do. Army has ordered me, captain has ordered me to leave that place. So what my animals will do? Do you leave the dove cage unlocked? I asked. Then soldier asked him, have you unlocked the cage of the pigeons? He replied, yes. Then they will fly. Then the pigeons will fly. Soldier replied him, yes, certainly they will fly. But the others, it is not to think about the others, he said. Then he said, yes, pigeons will fly, but what's about the other animals? It is better not to think, he said. I think I should not think of the other animals. Cat can take care itself. Pigeon can fly, so only the goats are left. Goats are considered as the innocent. Pigeon represents the people who went from one place to another place at the time of the danger. So there was no threat to the pigeons. Goats represent the innocent people, those who don't know how to save themselves in a critical situation. If you have rested, I would go. I urged, get up and try to walk now. So the soldier replied, urged me, requested that if you have rested, then leave. I also have to go, so get up and try to walk. Thank you, he said, and got to his feet. He said thank you and stood up, swayed from side to side, and then sat down backwards in the dust. Again, swayed means he walked slowly, but again after few minutes or after few steps, he sat down. I was taking care of animals, he said duly, but no longer to me. I was only taking care of animals. Now he was started talking to himself that he was only taking care of his animals. So why he was told to leave his place? So there was nothing to do with him. It is very important line.